You want to take a screenshot of a snap on Snapchat, but you don't want the user or the sender to be notified that you actually took that screenshot. As we know, Snapchat does notify its users when you take screenshots of their snaps, conversations, and even stories and profiles. So today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you take a screenshot without them being notified about that. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. So go ahead and open Play Store or App Store and make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version for this method to work properly. After updating your app, you can finally go ahead and open the Snapchat app and make sure you are logged into your account. From here, you need to go to your conversations, so you can swipe from the left side of the screen or you can tap right here in the bottom. Once you are in your conversation, let's go ahead and pick the snap that you want to take a screenshot of. Now I'm gonna try to find a snap that doesn't have faces in it because I don't want people's faces to be shown in this video. So let's keep looking. Alright, I want to take a snap of something still, not a video, so I don't want that as well. Just keep looking. Alright, this one is just I think a conversation, not a snap. Alright, now this one looks good, but I don't want to feel hungry after this video. Let's just pick the next one. Hopefully it doesn't have food in it. Alright, this one looks good. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then tap on the remix snap. From here, choose this icon at the end. Then get your face out of the frame and go ahead and take the picture. Now here the magic happens. Once you take the snap or the picture of the snap in the remix screen, go ahead and minimize the app, but don't drop it. Just keep your finger on the screen while minimizing it and then go ahead and take the screenshot from there. As you can see here, I took this screenshot while the app is halfway minimized. Once you do that, you can finally quit from the remix screen and just go back to your normal usage on Snapchat. Don't worry about that. Now from there, they won't be notified and you have took the screenshot. And that is it for this video, guys. Leave your concerns for me in the comments. I'll check them out. And also like and don't forget to comment down below if this video has been useful for you. Also subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.